Okay, here we are with the stock. Pretty much done with it as far as staining goes. I've got a beautiful chestnut, red chestnut Minwax stain on here. It's got a little bit of a red hue to it. I love that color. It's going to look really good with the brass and the blued barrel. I'm going to put a boiled linseed oil finish on it so that it gets to be more of a matte or satin type finish rather than a gloss. I don't like the gloss. But anyway, that's where things stand with the stock. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Probably sand it between coats of boiled linseed oil. Next I'm going to work on the barrel. I got to install the sights and get it fixed up and ready to go. So that's where things are.